असतं मगाचा आहे लास्ट टाइम एक 15 दिवस पहिले सांगला आय विल बी कॉन्टेस्टिंग द Goa Assembly election in the Panji constituency.
So, will be independent or any party?
I am a congressman for last 30 years, 35 years. So why should I contest independent when my party is there?
तिकीट पार्टी डिक्लेअर करता सो तुम्ही आता गिरीश चोडणकर आडवीन उलयल्ले
आम्ही उलयला before that the past president I spoke to Girish also that I have started my house to house campaign. We already started for last 4 days because I want to complete 2 rounds before the election is announced. You've been seeing my posters coming in Facebook and on Instagram and on other Goa groups.
सो गिरीश चोडणकरान कितें सांगलें मागीर तुमकां आतां
ते कितें सांगपाचें तें तुमकां सांगपाचें न्हू.
But party is ready to give ticket for you.
Why the party will not give ticket? I'm a party man, no?
Yeah. But they see winning probability also. They say that they are an alliance, then winning probability.
अरे winning probability. Suren Pratap is 7-time sitting corporator, was 4-time mayor. Who doesn't know Suren Pratap? Where the question of winning probability?
But before this, the party had given ticket to some other person also.
See, mistake do happen. Mistake can't happen always. Now with Girish Chodankar in the helm of affairs, I am confident he will look that in the right direction. He is a capable person. He is the right hand of Rahulji, and Rahulji has given him Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Pondicherry. Not simply because he is something in the AICC who understands things, and he will not allow Goa to slip out of his hand this time.
पणजेन पळय जाल्यार काँग्रेसीचो इतलो आवाज दिसना इतली एक्टिव्हच ना कशी काँग्रेस पणजेन जावं तालिगांव जावं
पळय एक्टीव वॉक करपाक चड जावंक जायना. स्लो एंड स्टडी विन्स द रेस.
प्रेजन्स तरी आसूंक जाय
आमी आतां ऑलरेडी तुका सांगलें न्हू घराघरांनी आमी ऑलरेडी कॉमेंट्स केले मिरामार एरिया आमचे पयलीं भोंवपाक आनी मिडियाचेर आमी आमचे घालता लोक जाणा सोरेन फुटकर इज देर इन द फील्ड.
आबूश म्हापसा आतां तुमकां दिसता की उडोवपाक पॉसिबल आसा तशें पणजे
दॅट ओन्ली गॉड वील टेल.
गॉड सगळें सांगता पूण तुमी
But then
तुमी
Congress is
सांगू
also planning to introduce his son in upcoming
That is
elections.
his problem. I will not answer any question about Babush Mulsarat or his son. That is his own personal problem, not my problem.
सो कितले वोटर्स आसा तुमच्या काँग्रेसीचो पणजे कितले
आता मग 18,000 आसा on the roll. So majority will be with the Congress because people have realized, people have suffered, people are not talking.
ओके CCP बाबूच्याची न्हू आतां CCP बाबूच्यान गेल्यार तुमकां दिसता की सीट पडटलें कशें बाबूच्यान
ते लोक डिसायड करतलो टायमार.
लोकांनी फाटल्या हातीन डिसायड केलें CCP अख्खी बाबूच्याक दिली
ना ते कोणे कशें केलें कितें जालें देव जाणा आनी तूं जाणा हांव जाणा.
पूण तुमकां कॉन्फिडंट आहा की पणजे तुमी जिखून येतले कशें
डेफिनेटली 100%.
कितले मार्जिनान तुमकां अशें दिसता की तुमी जिखून येतले
Let time come. It is just 7 to 8 months. Every day something or other changes happen. समजलं न्हू.
थँक्यू.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.